sh, sh,
Ö.
ri, ri.
T. T. Ö. Ö.
I will never learn Russian, I think.
Sh.
Sh, sh. Oh, I thought it was sh or something. No.
Wait, so this one was sh, and the other one was sh.
Борщ?
Борщ.
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 Do you know what that is?
Борщ. The
Борщ. The Russian soup with red beet.
Oh, no, I never had this.
Do you know this popular dish from Russia? It's a soup and it's made with red beet.
Борщ.
Borsch.
I mean, I don't, but I've just read that, so now I do.
Oh, that's perfect. Well, I forgot that you can read Russian. I'm sorry. Borsch.
Борщ.
What is
She.
she?
She. It's basically borscht, but without the red beet. You know, in a nutshell.
Shika.
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 Sheka?
Shika.
Shika.
Shika. What does it sound
Is
like?
this chess?
No.
Shika.
Shika. Cheek.
Ah, cheek.
Shika.
Oh, cheek. Shika.
Shika. Shika.
Shika.
Shika. Do you remember this one?
U, u,
U.
u, u.
E.
U.
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 U. Ryba.
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 Okay, perfect.
Does it mean fish? Oh.
Ryba.
Ryba.
Ty. Ty.
Tr.
Ty.
T.
Ty.
T.
Do you know what that means?
T.
Ty. Ty is you in Russian.
T. T. T.
Ty.
T.
Ty.
T. T.
Ty.
Tu. You. Tu.
Ty.
What does that mean? T.
You.
Ah, me. Ah, okay.
You. Like
you. Ah, okay.
Вы.
V. B.
Вы.
V.
Вы.
V.
You, but formal.
Ah, it's like vous in French. Yeah.
Вы.
V.
That's a formal you in Russian. Вы.
V.
The. You plural.
Or formal.
Ah, okay.
Вы.
Okay, like in French, okay.
Okay? Do this. It's вы.
V.
Вы.
V.
Вы.
V.
Вы.
V.
Мы,
Мы.
мы,
Мы.
мы,
Мы.
мы,
Мы. Мы.
Me.
мы. Yeah?
Perfect.
Okay.
Мы.
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 Me.
Мы.
Me.
Мы is what?
We. Yeah.
Мы is we.
Turnisti.
Almost.
Туристы.
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 Turisti.
Туристы.
Turisti.
U at the end makes it plural. Turist is singular. Turisty is
Plural.
Plural.
Oh, okay,
exactly.
Is there feminine, masculine?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
And also neutral.
Oh, like German.
Like German.
Oh, okay.
Exactly. What's this one?
This is yo. Moyo. No. Mayo.
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 Because yo is always stressed in the word.
Okay. And this is mine. Mine.
Yes.
And this is yours, I suppose.
Tvoё.
Tvoyo. And this is. Wait. Yeyo.
Yo.
Yeyo.
Her.
No. Yeyo. This is so fun. Yeyo.
Soft sign. It has no sound on its own, but it palatalizes the preceding consonant.
Mat.
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 Mat. Math. Okay, mat.
Mat. Mat.
Mat.
Mother.
Oh, okay, it's not math.
No.
Okay.
Автомобиль.
It's palatalized, the L.
How do you do it?
Автомобиль.
Yeah. Автомобиль.
Автомобиль.
Automobile.
Автомобиль.
Automobile.
Автомобиль.
Automobile.
Календарь.
Ри.
Календарь.
Ри.
Календарь.
What's the difference between r not palatized and r palatized?
If there was no soft sign, you would say календар.
Ah.
Календар. With the soft sign, it's календарь. Sometimes the word can change its meaning with the sign at the end. For instance, брат, брать. Брать is a verb to take something. Брат is brother. So it's very important to learn how to pronounce that because the meaning of the word can change.
No. No.
Remember that palatalized.
Nol. No. Ro.
Nol.
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 What do you think that is?
Nol.
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 Nol. Zero.
Null.
Uh-huh.
Nol. It's like nul. It's like zero.
Yeah.
Oh,
Zero.
wow. Oh, wow.
Yeah, really good.
Oh my god.
That's awesome. It's good to know a lot of languages.
Yeah.
Atel.
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 Hotel.
Very close, yeah.
Atel.
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 Hotel. Is it?
Hotel.
Hotel.
Yeah. This is the hardest one, I think. It's the one that has no sound value. And it's basically like apostrophe, kind of to separate the prefix from the root. For instance, this is object.
Object.
So you see, object. Without that sound, it would be object. So it's object. Object.
Object. Object.
Correct. Subject.
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 Subject. You see how it separates?
Yeah.
Siest.
Siest. It's so satisfying to say.
Siest.
Siest.
And how would you pronounce it without the symbol?
If there was no symbol here, it would be siest.
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 And with symbol?
Siest.
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 Obium.
Ob-yom. Abyom.
Abyom.
Obium.
Ab-yom.
Obium.
Volume. Abyom.
Abium.
Abyom. Well, this was amazing.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Yeah, you remember actually.
You're a great
lot.
teacher.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. I learned so much.
Mario, thank you so much.
It was really nice.
Awesome. Was it hard?
Yeah. I've used parts of my brain that I haven't used in years.
So if you decide to learn Russian, now it's going to be so much easier for you.
Of course. And I know
start.
where to turn then.
Yes.
I'll come to your channel.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.